for actively encouraging and supporting your child. I am certain that be it the current batch of students or the alumni sitting in this audience, all of you would have found an inspiring teacher in this excellent institution who would have encouraged you to undertake your life's journey and would have been responsible in some measure for your success. It is always a pleasure to be able to address young minds. Children are our tomorrow, our future bright faces that I see here today receiving prizes and evincing their talents will be the citizens of tomorrow. They may tomorrow grow up to be Einsteins, Rabindranaths, Gandhis, Abdul Kalams and Kishore Kumars. Well done, students. I am sure you will achieve your goals. I would also like to thank our secretary for his untiring efforts and hardship to bring up this prestigious institution and providing the quality education. He is the spine of Krupa Institution. I would like to thank our respected principal, the architect of human character, a seasoned scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge. Now I would like to call upon Mrs. Sumitra ma'am to present the annual report. Thank you.
ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಜರೀನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
They had Emerald Resort and Guhandra Resort. They enjoyed the rain dance. Drawing. The children have been exposing their talents through drawing and coloring. They had flower arrangement, vegetable carving, and so on. This is a feast where we share our love and help each other. Teachers had their prayer. Counseling was done for children. It is a place where they put in all their efforts to bring and mold up a child in a proper way. Especially 10th standard children had coaching classes till 8 p.m. We had a seminar for the students that were highlighted regarding their studies and their behavior, where cleanliness and public awareness, especially to the children, where girls were given. And we come across extracurricular activities, which includes personality development, dance and rangoli. They had GK exams, the achievers have been there. We had abacus classes, debates. Environment care was taken by the children and group discussion. Now we move on to medical checkup. A general medical checkup was done for the children from classes nursery to 10th. We had eye checkup and dental care. Now moving on to Parents Teachers Association. We had conducted 2 general meetings and 3 individual meetings. Now moving on to school picnic. Taking a break away from school and books is always refreshing the mind of a body. They were being taken to dreamland. The children had a ride in a bullock cart, walking on a rope, climbing the tires, enjoyed in the swimming pool, and had ice creams. 10 children had a trip to a very chill and a lovely place to Ooty. And now moving on to sports. Students were involved in many events. And next comes the staff fellowship. We had regularly prayers during our birthdays and wedding anniversaries. We thank our principal and secretary for their support and meaningful meditation. Now I conclude. No. Teachers training. Where teachers had a technical and a skill development for the teaching staff. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumitra, for giving such a nice presentation. Moving on next, we would like to call upon Mr. Rajan, PhD Advisor and Counselor of KES. He's B in Mechanical Engineer in Advanced Material Technology, PhD Research Scholar, having teaching experience of 16 years, lifetime member of Indian Society for Technical Education, and presently working as a professor in Gopalan College of Engineering, Bangalore, and counselor of Kirappa English School.
ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ರಾಜನ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ 2 ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for inviting me to deliver a few words about my experience with this academic institutions. I had very good experience with this institution for the past 5 years, not only with the faculties of these institutions, but also with the students, the passed out students as well as the present students. I don't want to waste much time. I don't want to feel bored of you peoples. It's my keen and humble request to all the parents who have gathered here, unfortunately who are not able to come to this grand function. I request, please spend much time with your children. That will help them to acquire more knowledge when they are at home. When they are in the school, the teachers will take care of them. But when they are at home, it is your responsibility and it is your duty to take care of them. some parents used to say that I joined my children to the school, I paid the fees, I am providing them books, dress, uniform, everything. That's all my duty. And they say, my duty is over. That's not the right way. If you think like that, if anyone thinks like that, then you are not the right parents. Because the development of any student or any child, 50% only by teachers and 50% is by parents. So, spend more time with your children, especially with the students who are doing 10th standard at present, current academic year. You spend more time with them and get help from a right person for the future curriculum activities or the future career activities. I have seen many parents approaches a wrong person and takes a wrong decision and join them in some other higher educations. The result is zero. Okay, I'll come to the students, those who are studying 10th standards. After 10th standard, what you are going to do? Have you decided? How many of you decided what you are going to become in the future? You be what you want to be. You think that every day in the mind. If you want to become a doctor, you think that I want to become a
Children,
doctor.
please be seated. Just listen to the speech. Children, what's the confusion there? Teachers take over. Please be seated.
So, if you want to become an engineer, you think that I want to become an engineer. Every day you should think that. Abdul Kalam, the great person, the great personality, the great scientist, he also said the same thing. Dream. Dream means not sleeping and dreaming cinema actors or somebody else. Dreaming means about your future, about your target, about your goal. That's the most important thing. Education without determination is a journey without destination. So, one should have a determination. So, what you want to become in the future? So, according to that, you seek help from your elders, parents, friends, etc. Sure, you will get good help from your surrounding atmosphere, and that will help you to improve yourself and to develop your personality and also to improve your career. Thank you for providing me this opportunity, and I thank Mrs. Gayatri Venkatesh and Mr. Venkatesh and the staff members of Krupa Educational Institutions for providing me this privilege to deliver few words. I don't want to waste time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for such an advisory speech. I'd like to go for a dance by Master Darshan and Divyan, Gangnam style dance. So I request choreographed by Mr. Magesh. I would like the children to be seated quietly as you can enjoy the program.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. 성숙해 보이지만 볼 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Blast. Now moving on next.
To everyone assembled here, today is really a very memorable day for us as we are bestowed the title of Best Parent. Firstly, I would like to thank the Almighty God, and secondly, the principal and the coordinator of KES for conferring this title upon us. In regard to this, I would like to quote a few words. This credit goes to my mother, who had taken the utmost care of my daughter, who was a newborn, till she was 5 years old. She is no more, but up there, she will surely be proud of her granddaughter. At the same time, I am extremely proud of my daughter also, as I am on this platform to be a recipient of this honored title. From the depth of my heart, I wish her health, happiness, success, fame, and a bright future ahead. When I go down my memory lane, I remember day one of my daughter, when she had come to school, shedding tears, clinging on to my hand, never letting me to go. But day two, there was a complete transformation. She was quite happy to come to school. And I realized that the school environment was such whereby the teachers have drawn her towards studies with complete love and care, which I call it as educaring. And this was done only in KES, a highly esteemed institution. As a parent, I appreciate the school for supporting value-based educative methods. This school has awesome, commendable infrastructure, well-equipped facilities, stress-free education, warm, caring, loving principal, well-spoken principal, secretary, coordinator, and the teachers. I have also seen systematic administration and a very well-disciplined achievement and atmosphere, which is really very good for any tiny toddler or any of the child to start right from its root level, pursue its further studies, and make a very bright future ahead. I am indeed fortunate to have selected this school and made a right choice as well as decision in sending my child to KES. In particular,
we are proud of KES for being one such good institution around the neighborhood, imparting good education in its truest sense to all those who walk into its portals. May I wish every success for building a healthy institution, and as you chart roads to greater quality and excellence in the cause of education, the school eventually blossom into one of the very finest and the best in the city. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a nice speech. It was inspiring as well.
ಅಂತ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಂಜಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್.
Now the kindergarten section have dressed up in a variety costumes. You would like to see the performance, your children performing on the stage.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಜಾತ್ಯತೀತ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. ಹಲವಾರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಅಮರ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಿದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವಂಥ ಕಾಡು ಮನುಷ್ಯರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವ ಸುಂದರಿ, ಭುವನ ಸುಂದರಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹಲವಾರು ರೂಪಣ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ
I am Iswar. I am an Nurda. I am an sunflower. My name is Latos. I am studying in nursery. I am a military man.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸೈನಿಕ ರಾಧೆ ಬರ್ತದಳೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಿ. ರಾಧೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬರಬೇಕು.
My name is Justin. I am studying in nursery. I am a Lord Krishna. My name is Akul. I am studying in nursery. I am a gentleman. My name is Ragul, the policeman. My name is Mama Iskanadi. I am Superman. My name is Monish. I am Singh Nisadi. Bye. My name is Sumira. I am a doctor.
Moving on next, I would like to call upon Mrs. Anjum Banu to give a speech in Kannada.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರುದುವಂತಹ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಗಾಯಂತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಹ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ, ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯವರೇ, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮೆದಿರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಈ ದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ದಿನ. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅವರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಡೈರಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡಕೊಡೋದು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಥರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಗಾ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೀತಿನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ, ಅವರು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಆವಾಗ ಅವರು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಕೃಪಾ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಈ ಥರ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಥರ ಇದ್ದು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸಮಯ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ 2 ಮಾತನಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಈ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you, ma'am.
Siddiqui, I am studying LKG. I am Miss Universe. LKG. I am in Miss World. I am Miss Karnataka. Miss Miss
She is Miss Karnataka. She is confused. Please take her. Give a big round of applause.